I'm Kara, and this is the Flip Waffle Maker by Hamilton Beach. If you're like me, you just love eating thick, fluffy Belgian-style waffles. But making them? Well, that's another story. I never quite got the trick. But then I got the Flip Waffle Maker, and with a little practice, I'm a waffle expert. Let's take a look. Don't you just love the stylish design with brushed stainless steel housing? Turn it on, and the indicator lets you know when it's ready for batter. Pour in the batter and click the cover down. The grid locks securely as the waffle cooks. Flip the waffle. The indicator light will turn on again when the waffle is ready. When it's done, just flip it and you've got a perfect Belgian-style waffle with deep pockets to hold lots of butter and syrup. And the adjustable browning control makes waffles crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Now that's good thinking.